Hello, it's Lorraine here from makemoneyonline-niches.com, and today I'm taking a look at an online software that has been around for a few years, and you can actually get joined into it for free. There is a pro version which we'll have a look at when we go through this software. It's called LeadsLeap, and we can just get started into this quick overview. I will leave a link in the description box below if you want to take a look around yourself. Just sign up for the free account. So this is LeadsLeap, which is a software which is free to use. There is a pro version as well. You can upgrade to pro. I have a free membership here. There's obviously a few different softwares in one here, and let's just take a look because you've got traffic and advertising. If we hover over these question marks, usually it tells you what they are. So you've got two advertising options. You've got credit ads, where it's credit based. 1 credit equals 1 visitor, and that is available to all members. Then you've got pro ads, which is no credit needed, and it's shown in the network 24/7, and it's only available to pro members, which is the paid membership. Then you've got social review, and again, if we hover over the question mark, we can find out what it is about. Social review is a platform for you to share good and bad experiences of the programs that you've tried, and in return that they will rotate an affiliate link that you send you highly qualified traffic, people who seriously want to find out more about the program. So that's social review. Then you've got the link tracker. So this is a link tracker that will tell you if you're getting real visitors and how long that they spend on surfing on your link. You can rotate your links, and you can add a bar across to promote other products, and you can add pop-ups and widgets. That's a link tracker. Now there's the email marketing through SendSteed. So if we look at this, it's got free email marketing. You use it to build a list. You can set up autoresponder. You can create automated follow-ups emails. You can send a broadcast to your list. So basically then you're saying goodbye to the expensive email marketing services that you can pay anything from $200 to join for a year, to $25 a month, to $150 a month, depending on the size of your list. So this is free options, and there's upgrades as well that you can do with LeadsLeap. Page builder. You can create almost any kind of a web page that you can think of. It could be an opt-in page, a thank you page, a product delivery page. The pages are hosted on the servers through LeadsLeap, and there's full tracking capability. The funnel builder. This is only available to pro members, but it's a way of organizing the pages that you can share your marketing funnels with other people. And you've got a form pop-up creators. Here again, you can create opt-in forms and pop-ups and add them to your website or a blog or a tracker or pages that you've created using the page builder. And there's a few advanced features like surfing, customize based on surfing device, customize on cookies, customize on different WordPress posts, split testing, animated inline forms. So you've also got a hosting service that they provide, so you can host images and PDF files so that you can use them in your landing pages. So if you want to deliver a free ebook, for example, then you can upload a PDF here and have it delivered through an opt-in page, so that the next page that comes after they opt in with the email is your free PDF download, which is a free ebook. Then we've got these tasks, which is daily active bonus. This is where you've got your affiliate commissions. Then you can actually do a network where you can create followers. We've got people who sign up for LeadsLeap. You've got your own affiliate links and tools here, and affiliate traffic stats. and then you've got the insider advertising. And so that is basically the inside of LeadsLeap. So obviously this also, let's have a look at List Manager. So with this List Manager, you can add a new list. I think there's probably a limit, but if you could see here, there's a click tutorial to learn more. So if you're not sure what to do, you click to the tutorial, and then you've got these links that will take you on this left hand side, walk you through everything that you need to find out about this list building tool. So that's that part of it. The page builder again. Here you've got click tutorial. You can add a new campaign. I've already added a few campaigns here. And that is inside of LeadsLeap. So there's a lot of different softwares in one, which you would actually get for free. So if we take a look at the upgrade to Pro, then you can find out a little bit more. This is the difference between the free version and the Pro versions. As you can see, you get credit ads, you get 3, whereas Pro you've got 10. You've got no Pro ads, but you've got 10 Pro ads with the Pro account. You've got traffic from members, blogs, co-op, and you've got more traffic if you pay. So here you can see how much traffic people get by paying for this LeadsLeap. The lead network, number of levels 10, followers, no spillovers, but you do get spillovers when you've paid member. The difference between the link tracker, you get all of the services with Pro. List Manager the same. A free account you get a 10 list limit and 10 broadcasts a month. So you can actually use a broadcast, which is a one-time mass mail to all of your subscribers that you've actually got opted in through one of your pages. And here is the limit for the pages is 10 with a free account, so you can have 10 different opt-in pages. Unlimited here with the Pro account. With the pop-up generator, you've got a limit of 10 with the Pro with the free account, and again you've got like unlimited here. And earning capability, as you can see on this, credit encashment, PPC earnings, pay per click. Daily active bonus is 5%, whereas 10% with the Pro version. Affiliate commissions on this, you can earn 25% or 50% recurring commissions when your direct referrals, like level 1 referrals, upgrade to Pro. So that's the commission that's available with LeadsLeap. As you can see, it's 50% when you're a Pro member, and it's a recurring monthly payment. So if we have a look here, it's $27 a month to become a member of a Pro member of LeadsLeap. So if you basically upgrade for $27 and then refer people to your affiliate link, you can earn nearly $15 for every referral that upgrades at 50% recurring commission. So it's not just a one-time amount, it's every month that they remain members and keep paying for the service. So that is LeadsLeap, a quick overview of what it is. And this is my video for today. And I'll drop a link below this video so that if you do want to take a look for yourself, you can sign up as a free member and get a closer look at how the software works.